Alright, welcome back to the shop. So today, I cleaned up an old Milwaukee drill. This is a model, there we go, 0950-1. Its maximum RPM, no load, should be around 600. And its fully loaded RPM should be 400. Back in this time, they used to have a rated load RPM. So I did not re-grease this or take it down or anything like that. I just basically gave it a wipe down, and I got it in this condition. So it's a really nice condition drill. Pretty happy to get it. We'll see how fast it runs. It is a reversible drill. There's a reversing switch there. And that's pretty unusual for something this age. A lot of times they were not reversible. So, pretty neat drill. All aluminum. Make sure it's grounded. We might see some other stuff like this on the channel. But, yeah, there it is. So I guess what we want to do is we want to see if it runs. Let me get it framed a little better here. And okay, so here we go. So we can see it's hanging right around 512 RPM or so. And I'm not surprised by that. The grease is probably a little thick inside there, or what have you. That's a nominal RPM that they have it rated at. So there you have it. There's 512 RPM on the forward. Now we should see something interesting in reverse. It shouldn't go as fast. And you can see it's not going quite as fast. That's because a characteristic trait of these motors, when you're using switching to reverse the field, and you don't rotate the brushes, the motor's actually timed for a particular speed. So there are some tools that have a rotary brush card, and those tools will actually go the same speed forward as backwards. There are some drills like that. I have some stuff here. Maybe at some point I'll show something on the channel. But there you go. There's your difference in speed. There's reverse. And here's forward. So it being a drill, obviously you want higher speed in forward than reverse. So that's why they have it set up that way. So neat old drill. Pretty happy to get it and fix it up. Another one for the collection here. It's one of the things I like to do. One of the things that I like to do. You can see that this has, and maybe you can't see, but it does have a set screw in the chuck. So it's not going to lose its drill chuck or anything like that when you go to reverse. A little closer look here at the handle. They really made these nice. They're a nice cast aluminum handle, raised letters and everything. They have a good feel. There you go. There's the cord strain relief. That's kind of unique for these Milwaukee's in the era, and the other side there, same basic thing. And there's a better look at the switch. That carried through into later years too. Some tools it's a high-low switch. This one it's forward reverse. So I just thought I'd share that fun little project here in the shop. Just clean this up. this one will be good to go. Some point, I think we're going to start seeing some of these old tools show up doing some work on the channel. Alright, have a good day, and thanks for watching.